Hello, welcome back to our channel Manifest with Us. I'm Urvi and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on mindfulness today. When we first think about the word mindfulness, the picture that flashes in our minds is of a person sitting on a couch alone in a room with his eyes closed. Well, sometimes that is what mindful practice looks like, but mindfulness goes beyond that. Mindfulness is a way of living that makes life more enjoyable and less stressful. Mindfulness can literally be applied to almost everything we do, whether it is eating, whether it is walking, or just working. Mindfulness is a choice. At absolutely any moment, we can choose to be mindful. Mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully aware and fully present in this particular moment, not being overwhelmed by our surroundings. It's a pretty straightforward concept if you think of it, but our brains work in weird ways. In order to utilize our brains to their full potential, we need to learn how to use it well. The brain spends a lot of time thinking about the future events or past events. Thinking about the future leads to feelings of anxiety or panic. Thinking about the past leads to feelings of sadness in general. So, how do we trick our brain to focus on this exact moment? I'll be sharing some ways that can be used in order to practice mindfulness. First is get down and breathe. This is an easy step. What you need to do is get comfortable and sit down and start taking long and deep breaths. Acknowledge your breath as it comes in, what it makes you feel in your body, and as it leaves your body. Acknowledge all the thoughts as they come. If your mind moves away from your breath, acknowledge that and acknowledge that your mind has wandered and bring it back to the breath. Do not try to hurry things, just focus on the breath. Second, take a shower. This one's pretty easy, right? The only thing that you need to do is observe yourself. Acknowledge how the water feels when it hits your skin. Acknowledge the temperature and whether it feels too hot or too cold or whether it is just right. Acknowledge the smell of the soap and the calming effect the overall shower has on you. Third, take a mindful walk. Give your full attention to the experience of walking. Because we tend to do a lot of walking, it tends to become automatic and we don't think while we walk. In fact, this is a good thing because we wouldn't want to think deliberately before each step we take. But sometimes bringing our awareness back to the present moment, back to the automatic things that we do, tends to enhance our experiences and tends to make us live with a sense of vitality. Fourth, mindful eating. This is another thing we tend to do automatically because we tend to do it while we do other things like check our emails or watch television or talk to other people. To eat mindfully, we need to remove these distractions. Be fully present and savor each bite as you take. It is that easy. Fifth, doing one thing at a time. We feel busy throughout the day because we have a bad habit of doing one thing while constantly thinking about the next thing to do. So, for example, when we're eating, we're constantly thinking of the pending work. When we're doing the pending work, we're constantly thinking of getting more exercise. It just doesn't make sense. Doing one thing at a time brings your full attention to the work you're doing and it makes you work smarter and not just harder. So, these are some methods by which you can practice mindfulness every day in your lives. I know and I understand that it is easy to fall back into habitual ways of thinking, feeling, and doing things. Mindfulness tends to slow the process down. It brings meaning to even the most mundane and everyday tasks. It helps us experience the moments of the day fully by being aware and engaging all of our senses in the moment. This tends to reduce the distractions that tend to dilute these experiences. The opportunities for practicing mindfulness are in our hands every day, be it eating or taking a walk or taking a shower. It is important to experience everything fully, being in the present moment. It might be easier said than done, but being in the present with our every sense switched on, without drifting into the future or the past is an effective way, is a powerful way to strengthen your mind, body, and spirit. If you're new to mindfulness, it is extremely important to be kind and patient with yourself. If you notice your mind wandering away, whether to the past or the future or to anywhere else, try to gently bring it back to the moment, back to the task at hand. Start wherever you are, and with regular practice, you'll finish where you want to be. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll be back soon. Bye. Also, subscribe now.